on. A North Shore daycare employee arrested, suspected of child abuse.
Hannah Hilliard is live at the Fox Point Police Department for us tonight. Hannah, police made an arrest at the daycare.
Right, Derek and Deanna, it's been at minimum a 2-week-long investigation for police here in Fox Point. The police chief telling 12 News that this child abuse allegation over at Nurturing Nook here in the village of Fox Point is not a simple matter. Nurturing Nook. It's a Fox Point daycare tucked away in this North Shore strip mall with at least one employee right now under police investigation.
The emotional toll that it's taken on our family can't be overstated.
I spoke with a parent by phone who asked not to be identified. Her 1-year-old was in the room where the allegations of abuse originated. The mother learning about it when daycare administrators called nearly 2 weeks ago.
Within receiving the phone call, we have 2 kids there. We had both of our kids packed up in the car and we never went back 2 hours after getting the phone call.
Police confirm they've arrested one person. We are not identifying her as the 25-year-old woman has not been charged. But a Fox Point arrest report 12 News obtained shows a Nurturing Nook employee was taken into custody on November 13th at the daycare. The reason for the arrest? Physical abuse of a child, intentionally causing bodily harm, noting that the incident happened a few days earlier. Do you have any other details of what happened?
You know, we can't share a lot of the details at this time just because there is an ongoing investigation, but the details of what we do know and what's come to light are nothing short of heartbreaking.
In a statement to 12 News, daycare management confirms they fired 2 employees, saying in part, quote, upon becoming aware of a recent incident involving a child in one of our classrooms, we took immediate action to investigate the situation. They go on to say our findings confirmed that actions by the 2 staff members did not align with our standards of care and commitment to child safety. Parents demanding accountability.
You've been in touch with the police in this situation as well.
Yes, and they're continuing to review footage, and we continue to receive calls as they learn more.
And transparency.
You put that trust in the daycare providers who are responsible, and to hear that that trust has been broken is just devastating beyond words.
And Hannah's back with us live tonight. Hannah, the mother mentioned video footage from inside the school.
Right, Derek, and 12 News has filed an open records request to try and get that video as this case continues. Now, Fox Point police here, they do tell us that they will be referring charges in this case to the Milwaukee County District Attorney's Office. We'll, of course, stay on top of it and bring you the latest as we learn more.
Hannah Hilliard leading us off from Fox Point tonight.